Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Listed here are the ingredients you'll need to make the bacon and egg pasta. So step 1, we have to start boiling the noodles. Then we have to zest and juice your lemons. Then we're going to beat the egg yolks and sour cream together. Make sure to season it to your liking. Then we're going to add some lemon juice. Make sure to mix it really well. So then we're going to start cooking the bacon. Drizzle the pan with olive oil and then turn it to a medium heat to make sure the bacon is crispy at the end. So here, right before it finishes cooking, you're going to add the rest of your lemon juice, spring onions, and lemon zest to give the bacon that extra kick. So once that's finished cooking, we're going to add everything together, starting with the sauce and the bacon with the noodles. Also, don't forget to mix in some Parmesan cheese and the rest of your spring onions. So for the plating, you're going to take a bit of pasta and then twist it so it has this kind of spiral look on your plate. And then you're going to garnish it with some bacon, Parmesan cheese, spring onions, and a bit of parsley on top. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe.